Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going over how to draw a cute party hat. Really easy, really simple. It's made for kids, made for adults, made for beginners. Anyone can do this. This is easy pictures to draw, so let's get started. So pay attention and let's get going. I'm going to start with right side of a triangle, really long and thin here. I'm going to go over it a little bit. I'm going to pull down the other side of that triangle. The difference is the bottom right here is not going to be totally flat. It's going to be a little bit rounded because it's a party hat. Party hat is round at the bottom. And I'm going to draw another thin line, kind of where that party hat closes together, kind of along that one side. Then I'm going to draw an eye, because it's going to be a kawaii party hat. Go across the middle here, take out part of it. Across the middle, take out part of it. Then, little smile, and line across for the expression. And I'm going to draw little streams of confetti around, like he's partying. Yay! And then a different color at the top, and maybe at the bottom here too. There's really no way to draw the string. I guess you could have it over here on the side. I'm just gonna draw it there. But that is a cute party hat. I hope that was really easy to follow. I'm trying to make it as easy as I could possibly do it. If you like that, press the like button. Also, check out what's even much better would be the ebook that I have. It is a free ebook, completely free, 10 pages, and it's in the description right now. And what it does is it teaches you how to draw anything in a cute style. I've already gotten tons and tons of feedback. A lot of people have downloaded it. A lot of people have sent me really great, amazing comments, and I really appreciate that. So it's 10 pages, printable, really easy. It's free for the moment. So it's in the description below, and I will talk to you in the next video. See you later, guys.